If you're building a home studio on a budget and you're getting into portrait photography or YouTube videos, this softbox lighting kit might just save your setup and your wallet. Today, we're looking at the EMART Photography Lighting Kit. Let's take a look to see if this is actually worth it or if it's just another Amazon impulse buy. This is a 2-light kit that comes with two 16x16 soft boxes and also two 50-watt LED bulbs that are color temperature adjustable. It comes with two stands and a remote. You can actually control these lights with your phone using the app. I'll be honest, I wasn't expecting much for the price, but these stands are definitely decent for lightweight work. When it comes to the soft boxes, they have a unique pull to open system inside that makes them faster to set up than traditional umbrella soft boxes. It's definitely not a pro grade build, but for in-home and studio setups, this will definitely get the job done. Just do not take this outside or else it will go flying. The 50-watt LED bulbs are pretty bright. They give off a surprising amount of light. They are bicolor, which means you can switch it from 3000 Kelvin up to 6000 Kelvin. You can control the lights with the remote that came in the box, or you can use your phone to adjust it with the app. When it comes to the app, that was super easy to use. Now you can control both lights with the app and adjust color temperatures and brightness on your phone, and this is so good and saves you so much time from running back and forth during setup. Let me show you how I use this lighting kit for a quick portrait session and also swap out my current lighting and use these lights to see how they look. For the portraits, it gave me a clean, soft light, and my studio space is definitely not big and it worked out perfectly. This is without no lights and just all background lights. Let's turn on the key light. Not bad. And let's turn on, we can take that down just a notch. About there, looks good. And let's turn on the fill light. Not bad. So here's a breakdown, what I liked and what could have been better. First of all, it's definitely budget friendly. It's compact for small spaces. You have an app that you can use on your phone to control both lights, and you can switch from 3000 Kelvin to 6000 Kelvin. Plus, setup is extremely fast with the pull system. For fast-paced jobs, I definitely wouldn't use it, but for static like shoots and videos, this is definitely solid. Now for some of the things that I didn't like about this lighting kit. First thing is that it comes with a bag, but it's not padded. You can fit everything in the bag, but again, it's not padded, so if it were to, for any reason fall, the bulb might get damaged. And based on my research, I haven't seen where the bulb is available on Amazon. I'm thinking you would have to reorder it from EMART. Second thing is, because of the weight, it can feel cheap at times because of how light it is. Third thing is, the lowest setting is still bright, so you'd have to put it at a distance to get that amount of light that you want. So you have to find that sweet spot of what works for you. So, would I recommend this EMART Softbox lighting kit? If you're a beginner and you're creating a low-cost studio, absolutely. For under $100, it's not perfect, but it punches way above the weight. Let me know what lighting setups you guys are using in the comments. And if you want me to compare this to something like the SL60W, which I'm using for my key light, hit that like button and subscribe for more gear reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and catch you on the next one. Peace.